Technical Touching 24 blogspot.com.
Hey guys, this is a first look of Honor 7A. Huawei sub-brand Honor has officially introduced the Honor 7A smartphone. The budget phone comes with a full-screen design, dual rear cameras, and a starting price of 999 yuan. The Honor 7A has a compact body, as it measures 7.8 mm thick, and it weighs 150 grams. It has a plastic and metal combination rear panel, and it also features a metallic frame. The dual rear cameras and fingerprint reader reside on the rear panel of the Honor 7A. The Honor 7A comes with an IPS LCD screen of 5.7 inches that offers an aspect ratio of 18:9. The screen delivers an HD Plus resolution. The screen is placed under a layer of 2.5D curved glass. The base model, that does not feature a fingerprint scanner, includes of 2 GB of RAM and an internal storage of 32 GB. On the other side, the higher comes with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. It features a dedicated slot for adding a micro SD card. Both the variants of the Honor 7A are driven by Snapdragon 430 chipset. It is fueled by 3000 mAh battery, with intelligent power management feature. As for the camera, the backside of the Honor 7A features 13 megapixel, plus 2 megapixel dual camera setup. However, the base model only features a single rear camera of 13 megapixel. The Honor 7A offers photography modes such as bokeh effect, beauty mode, aperture mode, and AR stickers. The front side of the Honor 7A features f2.0 aperture, 8 megapixel selfie camera, with LED flash. The front camera is also enabled with support for face detection, that unlock the phone by face. Honor 7A is built to deliver impressive audio performance, as it is equipped with an extra-large speaker and smart power amplifier chip that can produce an audio output of 88 decibels. The other audio features of the Honor 7A include Hiss in 3D audio by Huawei and Party mode that allow multiple users of 7A phones to connect with NFC to play the same music. The other features of the Honor 7A include 3.5mm audio jack, micro USB 2.0, Bluetooth 4.2, dual SIM support. The handset is running on EMU 8.0, a customized version of the Android area. The Honor 7A Standard Edition, featuring 2 GB RAM and 32 GB of storage, is priced at $127. The higher variant with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage carries